Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun DIY for spring. I'm going to use some materials from the Dollar Tree to make a little bird to go into this little bird cage that I got at the Target Dollar Spot for $5. I love that. You could always use a thrifted bird cage too if you were able to find one. I have been lucky and found some of those at Goodwill before. And what I'm going to do is take this little bird dog toy from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to transform this into a cute little burlap bird. Sometimes you can use dog toys from the Dollar Tree and kind of make them cool. I really wanted something that was the right shape for a bird. It would kind of give me a guide to be able to make one easily without any sewing. So I'm just going to take a piece of burlap that I have from the Dollar Tree, and I put hot glue all the way around the bird, and I'm just going to sandwich him in there just like that. What that's going to do, it's going to seal the burlap where I can cut it. The burlap won't fray and stuff like that. And I can cut out that bird shape for the dog toy that was underneath. Just making sure that all of my sides are glued. I had one little side there want to pop open, but I took care of that. For the leaves, I'm going to use the little burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree. They have these in a couple different colors. You could always cut these out yourself, but these are already kind of cut to the perfect shapes and sizes for a burlap bird feather. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together. I'm going to glue some of them on the tail for little tail feathers here. And I like the fact that I have two different colors of burlap. I think that's really fun. I found these little burlap leaves with like the burlap flowers and stuff like that from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to put some on the sides for its little wings right there on each side, and I'm loving the way that this is coming along. For the eyes, I thought it would be really fun to do like little button eyes, and these are the buttons from the Dollar Tree. I just picked out like two black ones that were about the right size and just hot glued those on each side of the bird. I kind of shape his beak a little bit more there by just kind of cutting it to more of a V shape. And he's really coming along. Now that he has the beak on there, I do want it to kind of make it look like a beak. So I just colored it in with an orange Sharpie to make it orange. Now to decorate the bird cage, I thought it'd be fun to kind of put some nesting materials in there since we're doing like a spring bird DIY. So I went in first with the Dollar Tree floral moss and brown, kind of making a little nest like that. And I used some spray glue to like glue it together because that stuff like really likes to fall apart if you've ever used it before. And made a little nest for our bird. So I'm going to put that in there. I thought it'd be fun to add a little bit of the green moss as well. This is the lycopodium. And so I put some of that in his nest as well, just to provide a little bit of spring color. And then I'm just going to glue my little burlap bird right in here so he will stay straight up inside my cage. But I'm not attaching anything to the bird cage itself because I would love to be able to change it out for different seasons and such. And so I just put the bird cage right on top of our little burlap bird for spring. I love how he turned out, and he was really fun to DIY. If you'd like more spring Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!